one of the things I do miss is I really liked finding those quotes to do for the Wednesday weekly.
Mm-hmm.
So I made, because I'll still be doing like the three quotes as part of the monthly mail, but I made a Twitter and Instagram page where I'm doing a daily quote
Ooh,
just
okay.
to keep that going because I do miss doing that. It's pretty funny because I haven't told anyone about it yet.
So this is
And
like the review.
yeah, this is a reveal on it. Please go subscribe to it because I like the only subscriber right now is me. So it kind of looks a bit psychotic where I'm just releasing like these daily quotes and I
Wait,
literally have
so this is not your current Twitter
mm-mm.
and Instagram?
No, I started a new
Okay.
Twitter and Instagram for this page
Okay.
just because I want it to be like this separate little thing. Let me find the name of it just so I can share it with people.
Well, I just want to say that your newsletters, I really love them because they were so like right to the point, and they were just easy to read. So
Thank you.
definitely subscribe, people. Subscribe. It's nice.
You've got the endorsement from Ramu. It's not just me trying to peddle my
Right,
stuff.
right. He's not trying to sell anything.
Yeah. So the page on Twitter for the quote of the day is quotable underscore minds. That's the Twitter handle. So it's just at quotable minds.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the Instagram page, it is, I'm loading it up now to check. Uh, Quotable nuggets. So quotable underscore nuggets. I'm doing the same post on both of them. So just whichever platform you prefer. If you want to subscribe to both, that'd be great. Uh, but yeah, it's just like a repost between the two. That's
Yeah.
just like another fun little side thing I'm doing because I don't know. I find it kind of nice because I miss doing that. And it
Mm-hmm.
does just kind of, it's almost like a little meditation in the morning because I'll just like wake up before work starts. I'll sit down on my personal computer. I'll just like, what book am I thinking of now? And I'll like just go through some of like the quotes in it.
It sets you
And
in
I'll
the
be like,
mood.
yeah, it just gets me like kind of chewing on like a little like piece of wisdom. So I've enjoyed doing that. And by the fact that I've been doing it for like the past week only to myself,
I'm done.
it's like it's something I enjoy doing. If you
Yeah.
find it interesting, follow along as well. And if I get some subscribers, I'll look less like a crazy person talking to myself in the corner of the room. So that's always appreciated.